Hey Taola, this is Kens aka Kenosi Tshidiakgotla. So I'm here to bring theater. Digeled, bring in your luggage. Digeled, my little girl, this is my house. Don't be afraid of anything, my little girl. Come and see something, Digeled. This is your bedroom, Digeled. Come and see something, my little girl. This one is my own bedroom, Digeled. Just come and see something, Digeled. Here is the kitchen, Digeled. You are hungry, you eat. Don't be afraid of anything, my little girl. This is my house. Come and see something, Digeled. Digeled, do you know this? Huh? This is a plasma screen. Plasma television, Digeled. You watch everything is in there. Rhythm City, Generation, Gemstones, everything, Digeled. This is my house. Don't be afraid of anything. You can go and change now, my little girl. Yeah, just put something. You can go and change my little girl. Yeah. She's still young and very, very mature. But in bed, it seems like she's number one. I'm going to do it live.